What up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kellye Banks, back at it again with another video. And as y'all can see, I'm back looking a hot mess. I just got done working out. So before we get into this video and I show y'all my hair, I need y'all to go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, because your girl is trying to get up to 100k subscribers. So y'all on the journey with me. Share with y'all friends, your mama, cousin, everybody. But anyways, let's jump into the video today. Today I'm going to be refreshing my curls. As you can see, my hair is looking a hot mess right now. And I heard that flaxseed gel is amazing for curls, because I've been on my curly hair journey forever and I really haven't found a product that I really stand by, really truly like. But I'm gonna show y'all the flaxseed stuff. So I already made it. It's in this container. I boiled it. I put like a cup of flax seeds and some water, and I boiled the water and it made this gel. Can y'all see that? It made this gel. And then after I wash my hair in the shower, I'm gonna put this gel on it, let it dry, and boom, the curl's supposed to be defined, looking good, all that good stuff. So we're gonna see how it turned out. But first I need to wash this hair. Like, this is crazy. Looking a mess. So when I wash my hair, I usually use Mielle products. So I'll go ahead and show y'all what I'm using. I'm using this shampoo, the strengthener from Mielle. I don't know if they switched over yet, because I know she sold the company, so hopefully it's still good ingredients. Then I use this leave-in conditioner by Mielle. Can you see it right there? And I typically, when I do my curls, and I don't always do curls because my curl pattern is off. Sometimes it's like an afro, sometimes the curls look good. But I like to use this curling mousse. So I'm going to use this with the gel too. And that's all I'm going to do, put on my hair. So we going to see. So come along for this journey. Stay tuned. Okay, so now my hair is washed. You can see my curls. I don't know if you can really see it with this black background. Hold on, y'all. Let me get some light. Some light. Okay, anyways, what I start by doing is sectioning off my hair. But first, I'm gonna spray it with this leave-in conditioner because my hair has been through it. So I'm using this argan oil stuff. Now I'm gonna do sections, and I typically do 4 sections. Like, I'm just gonna part this section off, half of my hair, and put it in a ponytail holder, because I don't be having time to do a ton of sections. Like, I'm not at that level yet. I'm at the beginner basic level for curly hair. So let's start with the back. Let's pick this front part up, because I kind of do the front different too. Okay, so I'm going to put this in a ball, and I'm gonna just start with this back section. What I'm gonna do is take my mousse, and then I'm gonna take my gel, my flaxseed gel, it's gooey, and just run it through this back section of my hair. So look at this, it's so gooey. So yeah, now I'm gonna brush through it, and I'm gonna repeat this for each section. And as you can see, as I'm combing it out, you can see the flaxseed gel. It makes it pretty silky. So I'm gonna repeat this for all 4 sections. And then I'm going to get my blow dryer, and I'll be back. So make sure you use like a handful of the flaxseed gel, curling mousse, and you can use a little bit of gel if you want your curls to really hold. And I will be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I did both sides with the flaxseed gel, and I must say my curls are like more defined. So when I dry it, I'm gonna see if it really worked. Can you see my curls? They're more defined. I gotta get a better background, guys. Black hair on black background is not gonna work, but yeah. So let's start the drying process. So I have a diffuser and I'm gonna put it on warm and high. Let's see. Let's go. Okay, y'all, so this is the final product. I must say, I give the flaxseed gel a like 8 out of 10 because my curls, you can see they're defined, but not really. I kind of should have used another gel with it, but I like how it turned out. So I'm gonna use it again, but I'm gonna find another gel. So if you guys have any suggestions of anything that I can pair with flaxseed gel for my hair, just to have my curls a little bit more defined, but they look really good. What y'all think? This is like after I diffused it, dried it, all that. But if y'all want to see more beauty videos, more business videos, more vlogs, make sure y'all like this channel, hit the comment button, share all that good stuff, and I will talk to y'all soon. Bye, y'all.